good, people? Welcome to Benji's Foods. First vlog on the new GoPro. Yeah. Okay, today I'm going to be making a barbecue. Check this out. Gonna make some jerk chicken. I've got the wood fire briquettes ready for the meal. Got piano here. Look. You ready here? Alright. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna start off the barbecue by putting the briquettes in. And we'll go from there. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put the coal into the barbecue. Yeah. What I'm gonna do first, you'll see how I do it. So we're doing quite a lot today, so I'm gonna do. Normally I would do it on one side, but I've got quite a lot of steam. I'm gonna put it in here. There's not much in this one, but you can see. Alright. Then what I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use some of these orderless fire lighters. And what I'm gonna do, space them out in between the coal so that the coal lights up evenly. Best sometimes to put it underneath the coal as well. There's a little hoist here, that's right. Put it in. Too close to it, have a look. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light it up with a lighter. So you don't have to light them, all of them, because what will happen eventually, it'll just light up anyway. Giving up some good heat.
How long do you have to keep that? Like 10 minutes, 5 minutes?
You have to leave this to warm up. It takes around about 15 to 20 minutes. Then you can start putting the meat on top. But what you have to do is, once you have to get the fire to go down, then what will happen is the coal, it'll be like that hot smoke, you know, like when you're having shisha or something. It's like that. Once that's like that, then you can start cooking.
Oh, is that from? That's coming from there already?
Yeah.
Of course.
So as you can see, burning up. Getting ready. Fire burning. On our way. See, you can see now the other ones that I put in those instant lights.
You didn't like that one, innit?
No, it's already lit up now. So that will eventually help the coal to get to a good stage. Got this here, so you can see the temperature as well. So obviously, depending on what you want to have it for some meats it's different temperatures. But for say like chicken and stuff, you probably leave it around about 180 mark. Anything over that is fine as well, but not too high. That should be enough. If anything, we can also add more coal anyway. But for now, that should be good.
So the chicken on the right side is not going to be cooked enough.
No, but
are you going to move over?
What you do is you have, the reason why you don't put all the coal on one side, all of it, because then, say if you just want to let it just
like cool down and that.
Keep it heated still, and let it cool down. Man. What I'm going to do with this now is, it's clean already because I cleaned it before, but what you're going to do is I'm going to put some oil on it, like some olive oil and no vegetable oil, so then it doesn't stick to the meat. And also, you don't have to clean it again because the heat will burn off all the bacteria on it anyway. So we're good. So it's pretty easy to make. You can see now, get closer, you can see some of them are turning white. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Once all of them have turned white, then you can start putting chicken on top. So as you can see, the chickens, well, the fire is going down and the coal is getting nice and white, ready for the chicken to go on. Now this is the chicken that I've got, seasoned earlier. Just some jerk chicken with some seasoning. Tastes really good once it's on. Alright, so I can start it now. As you can see the chicken, I get up and close and personal with it. So what I'm gonna do now is fry the chicken onto the thing. Start sizzling. Make sure it's evenly spread out. These are big pieces now. One final piece. Let's try and make some space. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover it, cover the chicken and let it cook for a little bit. Now, as you can see, to get the temperature, move the temperature up, you leave this open because you'll get more air through. More oxygen means more fire, which will help bring it up. So as you can see now, if you look at it closely, the thermostat should be going up slowly. See the smoke coming out now. Smell it. Can you smell it yet?
Smell the seasoning?
Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is going to leave it to cook.
What does that get up to?
Get up to like around about 150.
Would you stay there?
It won't stay there, but what you can do, you remember, to just add more fire to it, you can add some of those odorless things. It'll help boost up the temperature. Or you could add more coal into it. So it'll go up slowly anyway.
Yeah, would you ever need 500?
Not unless you want to incinerate the food, yeah. But yeah, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave it to cook for around about 5-10 minutes. Then I'll come back to it and have a look at it later. So let's have a look now and see how the chicken looks. Temperature's 160, 170. Yeah, it's doing great. All the chicken looks nice and cooked, nice and brown. Now it's time to try it.
Don't dry out the fire, you know. If you keep it until you don't get dry in it.
Don't worry about that. I didn't know you turned the chef overnight. Have a look at this one now.
It's golden.
Stay on being away from the fire. You know what I mean?
What's it called? Did you add any more oil? Or is that it? Like from the start?
I just had that's it.
From the side?
That's what I can do anyway. Once it's, you can see quite a lot of what happens as well. You get oil from a lot of fat coming from the chicken anyway, so it'll help keep it nice and juicy. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make this into some burgers. We don't warm up the chicken in the microwave. We wanna heat stuff with the pocket pan the thing again, you know.
Nah, the camera's off though. Would you actually do that?
What?
Would you actually not put it in the microwave? Nah, the camera's off though, innit?
How was it?
Yeah. Would you actually like not put it in the microwave?
Look, it depends, innit? You can put it back in the
Okay, man.
or you can put it in the oven.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. You can't do this.
Of course, man.
There you go. Let me just come up closer so you can see it. Smack the thumbnail, you know. Just smack the thumbnail.
You holding it?
Yeah.
Shadow.
Yeah. You can see the jerk chicken wings, the burger, I mean. Then you got the wings as well, and some chips, just to complement the dish.